So this is day two and day two of three, and this has been an amazing experience. I feel like there's no way that I could have gone home or done this on my own, taken the time to do this on my own. Right now, I'm in the process of recording my script for my YouTube ad, my very first YouTube ad. And it's really, really exciting because I love the fact that in one day you write a script and you have like a whole team of people looking at your scripts with you and helping you edit them. And I can just imagine me trying to do this on my own. Like, there's no way I could get a script done in one day. This YouTube incubator is really, really helpful in really honing in on your message and honing in on your client and making sure that you're putting out the best product possible. I wasn't even thinking that YouTube ads were in the possibility of me and my business. I never even thought about it until I came across Jake and decided to begin working with him and his team. So if anyone's thinking about joining the YouTube Ads Incubator, don't think too long. I would say go ahead and do it. This has been a great experience so far. And I can't wait to see my ads. I can't wait to click launch tomorrow. And I'm really excited. So join the incubator.